Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Lexus emblem. First, let's gather the necessary tools for a smooth process. You will need a heat gun or a hairdryer, some strong fishing line or a plastic pry tool, and a good automotive adhesive remover. Make sure your car's surface is clean and dry, and always work in a well-ventilated space for safety. This preparation ensures a successful and damage-free removal. Now, let's apply heat to loosen that stubborn adhesive. Use your heat gun or hair dryer on a low to medium setting, holding it about 6 to 8 inches away from the emblem. Keep the heat moving constantly in small circles to avoid concentrating it in one spot, which could damage your paint. Apply heat for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute, feeling the emblem to ensure it's warm to the touch. With the adhesive warmed, it's time for removal. Take your fishing line and gently slide it behind the emblem, using a sawing motion to cut through the softened adhesive. If you prefer, a plastic pry tool can also be used to carefully lift the emblem from the edges. Remember to apply steady, even pressure and work slowly. This prevents any accidental scratches or damage to your vehicle's finish during the process. Finally, let's tackle any leftover adhesive residue. Spray your automotive adhesive remover directly onto the sticky spots. Allow it to sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, giving it time to break down the adhesive. Then, using a clean, soft microfiber cloth, gently wipe away the residue. You might need to repeat this step once or twice for a completely clean surface. Your Lexus is now emblem-free and looking great.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.